Welcome back. Well, the SGX Nifty suggesting a flattish start. Anuj joins us in the studio as well. Well, Anuj, what a heartening performance, right, from the Nifty yesterday, ending more or less flattish when global markets were in dizzy. How do you approach trade today?
Yesterday was, like we discussed, the same movie playing out again. What about today? Well, the Indian market, of course, remains the best performing market. My sense is, Nigel, today we might have a date with all-time high on the Sensex. We are just 1% away from all-time high on Sensex. So, if not today, maybe, then early next week, perhaps. Now, in terms of global cues, the news coming out of China is very interesting. Though the Hang Seng market is up 5%, that China is not budging from the zero COVID policy, and a lot of investors, leaders being Tiger Global, are now trimming their China positions and putting that money into India. So I think that's something which stands out. The other thing which stands out is the new economy versus old economy performance. In the Nasdaq, a lot of stocks are now approaching 2020 lows. Meta is already at 7-year low. Amazon yesterday almost broke 2020 low, and X of Apple, most of the stocks are almost breaking their recent lows. And the Nasdaq is very close to 52-week low as well. On the Nifty, we bounced from that support of 17,960 yesterday. In fact, low was 17,959. So that becomes your range again, 17,960 to 900, your line in sand. The texture is clearly buy on dips. The closer you buy to 17,960, 900, the better is your risk reward. On the upside, the congestion is around 18,200 to 300. IT is again unlikely to give major support, so the heavy lifting has to be done by banks, FMCG and autos, most of which in any case are close to all-time highs. On the Bank Nifty, 40,500 is now your line in sand, and my sense is you will test new all-time highs very soon. 41,800 thereabout. SBI has already hit new high ahead of its numbers tomorrow. ICICI Bank normally follows suit, and now you started to see buying in HDFC Bank as well. So that could once again be the index to focus on in today's trade. And of course, it's weekend as well. Though next week we have a curtailed week, Tuesday is market holiday, so there could be some volatility today and on Monday.
Best news of the day, right? Tuesday is a market holiday coming up.
Market holiday of the year.
Yeah, I know he said that already, Nigel. Oh, he made us feel remorseful about that already. But thanks, Anuj, for joining in, and have a good one. So Deven Choksi is still sitting by. Deven, thanks for waiting by patiently. Today you have big numbers coming out. There's TVS Motor, which has been by far been the best auto stock, this year. There's Titan from the heavyweights,